Hi there. In this video, we will be covering web bookings. To start setting up online web bookings, you first need to set up a labor slot. Hover over Settings and select Labor Slots. Next, let's hit the plus button to start creating a new labor slot. First, let's name the labor slot and assign the duration. For this, let's call it MOT with a duration of 45 minutes. Now let's map it to its corresponding labor unit, which is MOT 4. We can at this point assign the relevant days, but let's keep it as Monday to Friday here on the left. Next, clicking into the Times drop-down menu, we can assign the slots at this point. For the purpose of this video, let's just choose 9, 10, 11, and 12. Lastly, the quantity field here is the number of slots you want to add into these time slots. So let's add 1. Then click Add. Finally, ensure you click Save to update the slots. To enable the labor slot for web bookings, tick Web Enabled and provide a web title, as this is what customers will see online. Add a custom description to relay what is involved with the job for this before assigning the sell price and offer price if relevant. Lastly, assign the category as MOT. Before saving, we can relate any labor units to avoid overbooking. For example, if you only have one MOT tester, you wouldn't be able to do a 9 o'clock MOT and a 9 o'clock trade MOT. To achieve this, choose Select All MOT and hit Save. Once a customer has made an online booking, it will be displayed in the Booked column, as well as in the Month view, with a labor slots icon in the top right corner. Additionally, when viewing the labor booked in via the calendar, it will be in the labor slots icon. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.